If you're a fan of those bright Southwest-style flavors, you're going to love this one. Today, we're making a super easy Baja Citrus Seasoning, so let's get started. You can find all the ingredients and directions in the description. Grab a large plate or a mixing bowl. Start with 2 teaspoons of dried orange zest, followed by 2 teaspoons of dried lime zest and 2 teaspoons of dried lemon zest as our citrus trio for a bright, tangy kick. Next, add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder for that savory base. Then, go in with 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, a teaspoon of regular paprika, along with 1 teaspoon of chili powder. These bring the warmth and color. Now go in with 1½ teaspoons of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of dried cilantro, a teaspoon of salt, and ½ teaspoon of ground black pepper. And finally, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar to round out all those bold flavors. Now just grab a large spoon or a small whisk and give it a good stir. Make sure everything blends evenly so you get that perfect balance of citrusy, smoky, and savory in every sprinkle. And here it is, our vibrant, zesty Baja Citrus Seasoning. With about 1/4 cup of seasoning, this is perfect for chicken, seafood, or even grilled veggies. Trust me, once you try this, you'll want to sprinkle it on everything. If you're not using your seasoning right away, transfer it to a tightly fitting jar and store it for up to 6 months.